Hi, welcome to Everhot. I'm Graham, and in this film we're going to give you a quick overview of how to use the Everhot controller. Now, the Everhot cooker is the most efficient and most controllable cooker on the market, and sometimes it can just be a bit of a learning curve. Hopefully we'll take you through that and just get you nice and comfy with the controller. So the first thing to say is, at this point the controller's turned off. You can see there's power to the controller with the LED there and the dashes in each control zone. So to turn the cooker on, you first need to push and hold the power button in the top left-hand corner of the control box. You'll then see each of the control zones is turned off. To turn the hot plate or the simmer plate on, you first need to push the top left-hand power button, nice quick push, and you'll see that the hot plate light is now flashing. That means it's unlocked. If you just try and turn it on before unlocking it, you'll just see that you just get a lock button come up. So you push and hold the top left-hand power button. Once that light's flashing, you can push the power button that corresponds to the hot plate, and then you're now turning on and it's heating. You can then adjust the temperature using the up or down arrow. Our factory setting is recommended is 290, so we're perfect. The ovens vary slightly. You just need to push the power button and they'll come on. And again, if you need to change the settings on each of these zones, you'll then adjust the up or down arrows. Now, the controller's common to each of the models, the only main difference being that on a 2-oven model, this bottom right-hand control will control a simmer plate, and on a 3-oven model, generally speaking, it's the right-hand oven. Now, we've got 3 modes within the cooker. At the moment, you'll see we're in full power mode, and at this setting, the cooker's just going to stay on at your desired temperatures. A quick push of the eco button puts the cooker down into its half temperature mode, and it will stay there until you exit that mode, and then another quick push will enter the timed eco mode, where the cooker will slumber or drop into eco between 9 at night and 5 AM in the morning. That saves you a bit of money on your energy bill, but it also saves a lot of heat into the room, especially during summer. So that's a very useful function. But in winter, we'd just say use the cooker in full power mode, and then possibly if you go on holiday, drop it into full eco mode.